UV Terrace. You can find the UV Terrace from UV comment and here. UV Terrace is exactly vice versa of unstitched UV. It's connected UV polygons together, and they have to corresponding to each other. For example, we know this UV is disconnected from this part. It's very simple. You have to select corresponding points that are disconnected to each other, and then you can use UV Terrace. For example, if you want to connect these points and you not selected corresponding points, UV Terrace does not work. UV Terrace is not working in Edge, and it's working like UV on stage in Polygons. It's better working in a points. For example, we want to, you can see we have a seam here, it's white, and we know these parts are separated from here. You can, if it's better, if you, for example, I want to connect these parts, you can see these parts are selecting in this part to another part, and I don't know where other corresponding points are. So it's better to select, for example, I want to close all these seams. Select them with live selection. If you select the points in a 3D, you can see they are selected corresponding point in 2D, and you know them. And you can use UV Terrace. And you have to, after that, you can see it does not relax in them. You have to go to the relax UV and just apply. Or you can UV pack and again unwrap them. Just connect them to each other. I will show you how to use such these things. And you can see, or you can again automatic UV, and it will be connected these edges together and unwrap them uniformly. I will show you how automatic UV are working. But you can see you can connect them, but they are separated, and you have to unwrap them again. Or again, we know they are separated before, and you can go to the comment and UV Terrace. Nice, done. If you suddenly, for example, go to the polygon mode and select one of these polygons and move tool and disconnect it, and you want to connect it, you can holding shift and connect corresponding and disconnect them. You can see it's connected to the, it's better to working with, yeah, it's better. You can select just one polygon. It's in a polygon mode, it will be snapping also to the separated part. So let's select this part. Now we can see it's better to select these corresponding that are aligning with each other, and UV Terrace is automatically snap the polygon in its position. So you see the difference between when you are in a polygon or in a point. For example, again, you're going to polygon mode, disconnected. It's because I not keep neighborhood comments in the settings. I explained it before. Then we are going to the polygon mode, and I tell, okay, I know these points, and these points are disconnected from these points, and UV Terrace. You can see it just keep the position of the points. It's not good. I have to select all of these points because these points is corresponding this point, and this point, and let's test. You can see it's trying to keep the position of the polygon, but in a polygon mode, it's snapping to its original position. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.